So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code for Her. So today's guys, in this video we are going to talk about the data frame. Like what is data frame, how do we create data frame, how can we create data frame using this pandas library. So these all things we are going to learn in today's video. So guys, in the previous video I have talked about the loading text file, CSV file and importing pandas library, how we can load HTML page, the table from the HTML page. All these all things we have saw in the previous video. If you haven't saw this video, then please go to my playlist and watch that video. And also please do subscribe my channel guys and support my channel. So without any delay, let's get started and let's see how can we create data frame and what is data frame. So guys, as we know, the data frame is nothing, it's just a beautiful tabular format data which contains rows and columns. This is called data frame. Now let's see how can we create data frame. So before creating a data frame, let's first understand data frame in a very simple way. So I'm going to load my data set, by which I'm going to explain you what is data frame. So first I will import the pandas library. So I will use import pandas as pd. Now I will load my Titanic dataset pd dot read CSV. So I'm going to copy the path of my dataset. So this is my Titanic dataset. I will go to the properties and from here I will copy this path. Now I'll paste this path here. Don't forget to change this backslash into forward slash. So I will change all this backward slash into forward slash. Okay, now here I'm going to give the name of my data, that is Titanic dot CSV. Now I will print this df. Okay guys, now I need to use separator. So if you want to know what is separator, like how we can convert this unstructured data into beautiful structure formats, so for that we are going to use this separator operation. If you want to, I have told about the separator operator in my previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, then please go and watch that. So I'm going to use tab here for separating my data. Sorry, what's the mistake? Okay, quite do. Okay, now you can see that our unstructured data has been turned out into a very beautiful format. Now this is called data frame. Here you can say our table contain rows and column. A data frame is made up of rows and column contained inside a table. So this is our rows. You can see that this highlighting part 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is our rows, and this is our column. Passenger ID, survived, P class, names, age, these all are columns, and the information inside this table is called data. So this all combination forms a data frame containing rows and column. Now you can see that our tabular data has contained 156 rows and 12 columns. Our data frame is made up of 156 rows and 12 columns, and this dashed line shows that like this Jupyter Notebook has not been able to load all the data, so it has shown this dashed line. It means that there are many more data inside this table. Now let's see how we can form a data frame. So for making a data frame, we will just simply use, let's assign a list first. Inside this list, I'm going to pass some name. Let me pass the Aditya, Anubhav. Let me pass the name Anubhav. And one more name, let's say Shubham. Or let's say Aman. I'm going to pass this Aman. Now be careful here. Here I'm going to use data frame in the pandas library to create a data frame. So for creating data frame, you will simply use pd.dataframe. So I will use d equal to pd dot make sure that D is capital and F is capital. PD dot data frame, and inside this PD dot data frame I'm going to pass this list. Now I will print this D. So here you can see our data frame. This is the way how we can create a data frame. I just use a list, and then I pass this list inside a PD dot data frame. So here you can see that this is 0, 1, 2, this is our row, and this 0 is our column. So this is the way of creating a data frame using list. Now let's see how can we create a data frame using dictionaries. So for creating a data frame using dictionary, just use data equal to, now I will assign some values inside a dictionary. Let me put a name. Let me use this name. I will use this name only. Same thing, I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and I will also use an age column, like age, and I'm going to pass some ages inside a list. Let's suppose that 21, 22, 23. Okay, so this will be list, not curly bracket. Now I'm going to pass this data inside PD dot data frame to create a data frame. So data equal to PD dot data frame, D, make sure D is capital, data, and F is capital. And now I'm going to pass this data inside this PD dot data frame, and now I will pin this data. So DAT. Let's see. So how you can see the result. This is how we are going to create a data frame using the dictionary. This is the way of creating data frame using dictionary. Now let's see. Let's suppose that I want to create a data frame using a specific column. Like I only want the column to be printed, which, like, let's suppose that this is a name column, a age column, and I am also going to add one more column, that is last name. And in all these three cases I only want this name and age to be printed out, not the last name. So how we are going to do that, we will see. Let's see that. So I'm going to copy this code here, Ctrl+C. I will copy this code, and here after the age I'm going to add one more column. Like, let me name this last name. And I'm going to pass inside the list the last name, like Pandey, Srivastava, Kumar. So I have passed this last name. Now I only want this name and last name column. I don't want this age column. So what we'll do, so for that I'm just going to at the time of printing I'm just going to pass the name and last name inside the data. So here, after, let's suppose that I'm printing this data, and inside this data I'm going to pass the name and last name. So let's run it. So here now you can see that I have got only the column name and last name. So this is the way of getting the specific column inside a data frame. So guys, this is it for now. In today's video we have thought about the data frame, like what is data frame and how do we create data frame using list and dictionaries, and how we can get this specific column inside my data frame. So data frame, as we know, came to know that data frame is nothing, just a beautiful table in the form of rows and column. And this is the way of creating a data frame. We just need to pass the operation inside the PD. So we will just simply pass this list inside this PD.data frame, and our data frame will get created. So this is the way of creating a data frame. So, and for creating data frame using dictionary, we will just use this formula, this simple steps to create a data frame using dictionaries. So okay guys, this is all about it. This is it for today's video. We have learned so much in today's video. Now I'm going to bring something more in today's my upcoming videos, like more operation, more methods, and inside the pandas library I'm going to bring about the whole series of pandas. So stay tuned for that, and please do subscribe my channel and like my videos. Till then, okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, thank you. See you later.